Hi, welcome to week 10 of writing proposals and grants. We're moving along rather rapidly in the semester. You now have finished the first half of your grant proposal. Congratulations on that. That's the hardest piece to get. It's always hardest to get started writing the first part. You've also gotten, you should have gotten your first set of peer review edits from your group mates. This week, we're going to focus on two things. One, the lectures on major gifts, and there's a lot of writing to be done in the arena of major gifts and individual giving, from annual fund appeals to major gift proposals. So you'll learn a little bit about that area of fundraising. And then secondly, you're writing the second half of your proposal. Go back to the lesson and take a look at all the requirements for the second half. So you'll be writing the executive summary, which is the first part of your proposal, and I recommend that you write that last. You'll also be writing the evaluation, the sustainability section, and the conclusion. Now, one of the things you'll discover when you write the evaluation, which is really how you tell a foundation whether or not you've completed what you said you'd complete, one of the things you'll discover is that you didn't put enough measurable goals in your project description. So you're likely going to have to go back and look at your project description and put numbers in there, because evaluation is really counting. How do you say that if you said you were going to bring 100 new kids into the program, did you bring 100 new kids? Who's keeping track of those numbers? How are you reporting them to the foundation? So that's the evaluation section. Then you'll have sustainability, which basically is to say to a foundation, I'm not going to rely on you for funding forever. I'm going to go to other foundations. And you'll be able to use some of the foundations you did research on. So you're really going to list those foundations in that section. And then the conclusion is just what you're saying at the very end of the proposal. How are you summing it up? Back to the executive summary, you're going to summarize the whole proposal. And again, please make sure to go back to the lesson and review everything that goes in the executive summary. You'll want that to be there. Finally, you need to set up your second conversation with your executive nonprofit leader. You'll contact them hopefully early this week and get something within the next week. And then your forum is due. You always get 2 weeks for this assignment. So you'll contact them this week, get an appointment, and then write it up for your classmates. Make sure to post that up and respond to 3 of your classmates, because the conversations are always very interesting for the class, and I want to make sure that you read all of them. So that's what we're doing this week, and I look forward to seeing your full proposals. I will give you individualized responses when you finish your full proposal, and then you will have time to rewrite them one last time before you submit them on the assignments page for grade. So keep up the good work, and have a good week. Take care.